I was lost in the darkness and carried full of pain, walking through the storm, standing in the rain. No one there to hold me, no place felt like home, till I heard your voice say, you're never alone. You saw my tears in the night. You held my hand, gave me life. In your grace I stand. I'm alive again. You broke my chains. You erased my pain from the cross. You called my name. Oh, Jesus, forever you reign. They said I was nothing, I would never rise, but you wrote my story in the darkest skies. Your love found me when I lost my way. Now my heart will worship you every day. In your grace I stand. I'm alive again. You broke my chains. You erased my pain from the cross. You called my name. Oh, Jesus, forever you reign. Your blood saved me. I am free. Your love changed my destiny. Even when I fall apart, you are healing my broken heart. In your grace I stand. I'm alive again. You broke my chains. You erased my pain. I will shout it loud. I'm not the same. Oh, Jesus, I glorify your name. I worship you through every pain, through every tear. You remain. I was lost in the darkness of my life. No direction, no hope inside. every step felt so cold and empty. No one there who could truly see me. I cried out in the silent night with broken dreams and no more fight. Then your voice came soft and low, saying, "My child, I love you so." When I thought it was over, when I couldn't go on, you showed me your mercy. You made me strong. You never left me, even in my pain. You stayed beside me in the pouring rain. Your love held me when I fell apart. Jesus, you healed my broken heart. You never left me when I lost my way. You kept on calling every single day. Now I will worship for all my life. You are my Savior, my truth, my life. I remember the nights I cried alone, feeling like I had no home. But you were there all along, turning my tears into a song. When I fell, you lifted me, opened my eyes so I could see. Your grace was more than enough. Your love is deeper than the rough. In my weakness, you found me. In my shame, you stayed. You covered me with mercy. You washed my sins away. You never left me, even in my pain. You stayed beside me in the pouring rain. Your love held me when I fell apart. Jesus, you healed my broken heart. Even when I didn't know you, you were fighting for me. Even when I ran away, you still set me free. There is no love greater, no one else like you. Jesus, my Redeemer, forever I'll follow you. Oh, Jesus, you are my everything. I give you my heart. I give you my soul. in every song I sing. Let my life declare